Imagine holding the future in your palms with the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. That's not a far-fetched reality. This isn't just a smartphone. It's a gateway to tomorrow's technology today. Envision a device that not only connects you with the world, but also stands at the pinnacle of innovation. With its top-tier features that blend sophistication with functionality, the Galaxy S23 FE doesn't just blend into the crowd, it stands out. It's all about the future. It's all about the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Hold the future, hold the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE isn't just a smartphone, it's a marvel of technology. Let's take a journey into the heart of this device, where the magic happens. At its core, the Galaxy S23 FE is powered by an ultra-efficient and robust processor. This powerhouse is what allows the device to run multiple applications simultaneously without breaking a sweat. It's like having a supercomputer in the palm of your hand, ready to take on any task at a moment's notice. But what's a powerful processor without an equally impressive memory? The S23 FE boasts a generous RAM, providing users with a smooth and seamless experience. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, the S23 FE can handle all your needs with grace and speed. Now let's move on to one of the most remarkable features of the Galaxy S23 FE, its camera. This isn't just any camera, it's a professional-grade camera that fits in your pocket. The S23 FE's camera captures stunning photos and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. It's like having a professional photographer with you at all times, ready to capture those priceless moments. Of course, we can't forget about the display. The Galaxy S23 FE sports a vibrant and crisp display that brings your photos, videos, and apps to life. Whether you're watching your favorite movie or playing the latest game, the S23 FE's display offers an immersive and captivating viewing experience. What sets these features apart is their superior performance. The processor and RAM work in harmony, providing a smooth and efficient user experience. The camera captures high-quality photos and videos, allowing users to relive their favorite moments in vivid detail. And the display, with its vibrant colors and crisp visuals, makes every interaction a delight. In essence, the Galaxy S23 FE is more than just a smartphone. It's a powerful tool, a professional camera, and a portable entertainment system, all rolled into one sleek and stylish package. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, where features come alive. What's under the hood of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE? Let's fuel your curiosity. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a technological masterpiece. It's powered by advanced chipsets that make everything from browsing the web to playing high-definition games a breeze. The chipsets are the brains of the device, orchestrating everything that happens on your phone, from the moment you switch it on to when you capture that perfect sunset photo. Speaking of photos, the camera is another marvel. It uses complex algorithms to optimize your pictures, adjusting for lighting, focus, and even the subject's movement. The end result? Photos that look professional, no matter your skill level. But what good is all this tech if your battery doesn't last? That's why the Galaxy S23 FE boasts a robust battery life. It's designed to keep up with you, whether you're streaming your favorite show or navigating to a new location. With the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, experience the magic of technology. So, does the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE live up to the hype? Spoiler alert, it does, and then some. Let's hit the rewind button for a moment. We dove into the sea of features, surfacing with a handful of pearls. The camera, with its crystal clear resolution and stunning night mode, is a photographer's delight, amateur or professional. The battery life outpaces many competitors, allowing you to stay connected for longer without a frantic scramble for a power source. We explored the tech behind the magic, the powerful processor that keeps everything running smoothly, the expansive storage, and the impressive 5G capabilities. This is the stuff that makes the Galaxy S23 FE not just a phone, but a reliable and versatile companion. Now let's talk value. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE offers an array of top-tier features at a price that won't leave your wallet weeping. It's a smart investment for those who want to stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of technology. So, who is it for? The tech enthusiast will love the cutting-edge features. The busy professionals will appreciate the robust performance. The social butterflies will enjoy the superior camera. In short, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is suited for anyone who values quality, performance, and style. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, a smartphone that's more than worth its weight in gold.